Ito pala yung ano, no? Yung ano, naming yata ng ano, nung, hindi ko asan yung details nito. Sasabihin naman dito eh. Sige, sige, papakinggan natin ah. Ito, yan, no? Dito gawa sa atin yan, no? Naming and delivery ceremony of hall numbers SC 443. Ayan.
Clear message to the whole world. The Philippines is ready to lead in the global transition towards low carbon and sustainable maritime transport. This occasion not
Mahilig talaga si PBBM sa ganyan eh. Di ba?
only celebrates the launching
Yung
of a vessel,
conserving energy, tapos syempre nature, and then reducing the carbon footprint, sustainability. Oo. Kaya ano eh, talagang yung Pangulo natin, timely eh, no, yung mga ano niya.
it is also a celebration of progress and of innovation.
Di
And
nagbabasa,
above all,
no?
we celebrate the Filipino capacity to rise to the challenge of a rapidly changing world. While this project is a product of bilateral cooperation, it is also, and very importantly, a showcase of Filipino craftsmanship, ingenuity, and competitiveness. It proves once again that what is made in the Philippines can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best of anywhere in the world. It places the Philippines firmly on the map as a future-ready maritime manufacturing hub, aligned with
Kaya palakpakan! Kaya na natin mag-manufacture ng mga barko-barkong ganyan.
International Maritime Organization decarbonization targets and global sustainability standards. May the delivery of this methanol-fueled Kamsarmax vessel stand as a symbol of what we can achieve when innovation meets purpose. Continuing to invest in green technologies and advanced manufacturing, we are shaping the Philippines into a future-ready maritime hub that can meet the evolving demands of global trade. So together, let us shape a bagong Pilipinas that champions economic growth, industrial self-reliance, and national security, and continue to proudly showcase Filipino excellence to the rest of the world.
Bangis, di ba? Yun ang ano, yan ang Pilipinas, di ba? Oh, si PBBM lang bang credit dyan? O, ibig sabihin yung Pilipinas, ano na ngayon? Pwede na mag-manufacture ng mga ganyan. Di ba? Malayong malayo sa mga Duterte si PBBM. Disente magsalita, matalino at makikita talaga ang na nagtatrabaho siya. Yun ang ano, tama yan. Sabi laki, no?
Sobrang laki, di ba? Kasi this is our first dual bunker and methanol vessel made
Aboitiz eh. Aboitiz. Yaman din talaga ng ano, ng Aboitiz.
here in Balamban, Cebu. So it's a big deal. We made about 400 vessels when we started, all made by Filipino hands and sailed by Filipino sailors around the world, right? So parang kung
galing.
baga, kung agi pa, farm to table, the same thing. So we're coordinating with all the agencies. It takes a lot of agencies to get something like this done. It makes between PESA, Office of the President.
Ito mo, no, yung mga negosyanteng ganito na nagsusumikap, no? Pero, mas mayaman pa rin sila lebiste. Mas mayaman. Anyways, that's for another topic.
DTI, so everybody working together. So as PISAC, we want to get everybody to work together to make the permitting easier, so we can have more land here to be able to reclaim more land, for example, to build more vessels, to create more jobs. So that's kind of the role that PISAC is playing, making it easier for the government to come together.
Very good naman dyan. Very good naman dyan. Sino yan? Si batas natin. Huling-huli. Minomonitor si ano eh. Anyways, 'di ba? Oh, 'di ba? Oh, mayaman sa kupitan. Oo nga eh. 'Di ba? Eh, mga good news natin. Sunod-sunod 'yan. Alam ko may isa pa eh. Hindi, ito yan. Ito na pala yan. So, ito. Good news din to. House motion can't bar new Sara Duterte impeachment after 1 year lapse. Ascuna. House motion can bar new Sara Duterte impeachment after 1 year lapse. Ayan, sabi ni Ascuna. Topic ba natin yan? Alam ko Juan, tapos si Barsaga. O sige, anyways. So, yan yung mga ano natin, no? Eto, basahin na rin natin to. Kasi para sa akin, good news lang. Good news din naman to eh. House motion can't bar... House motion. Ulit. Take two. House motion can't bar new Sara Duterte's impeachment after 1 year lapse. Ascuna. No? Ayon dito sa politico.com.ph ngayong January 14, 2026. Sabi dito, former Supreme Court Associate Justice Adolph Ascuna said that the motion for reconsideration filed by the House of Representatives cannot bar the filing of new impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte after the 1 year bar rule lapses. So yun, no, sige. In an interview, Billionaire News Channel On Point award-winning broadcast naku, may pa ganun pa award-winning. May pa award-winning pa. And okay din naman talaga si Pinky Webb. Asked Ascuna about the filing of a new complaint against the Vice President after the 1 year bar rule lapse on February 6. The possible filing of another case by February 6 will be allowed notwithstanding the pendency of a motion for reconsideration of the present archive. Complaint against the Vice President because precisely it's more than 1 year already, said Ascuna, one of the framers of the 1987 Constitution. So when asked for the clarification, Ascuna said there is no need to wait for that because the decision of the Supreme Court is immediately executory. It's final until it's changed by the Supreme Court, yet you have to accept it, he added. So ang sinasabi lang naman dito, no, hindi na kailangan antayin yung kasi parang 'di ba may motion, no, para i-reconsider yung naging desisyon ng Supreme Court doon sa last na impeachment. Ngayon, sabi ni Ascuna, hindi na, ayos na. No need, say. So hindi na tayo no? Hindi na kailangan, hindi na magiging prerequisite yung kung ano man yung sagot ng Supreme Court. Since yun are final and executory na, no? So kung ano man yung maging sagot dun sa motion for reconsideration, hindi na makaka-apekto dun sa kung panibago mang i-apply kasi okay na yun eh. 'Di ba? Tapos na yung 1 year bar rule. Yun. Palakpakan. Very good dyan. Ganun yung mga good news natin, 'di ba?